Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Tiana Michelle here. So today we're going to be decluttering and deep cleaning my bedroom. Right now I'm just giving you an overview of what the bedroom looks like before. It is a total hot mess. So let's get into cleaning this bedroom. So first we're going to be starting out on my side of the bedroom. There is a lot to unpack here. There's clothes and a little bit of everything. So we're going to get this all cleaned up. You can never bring me down. You can never bring me down. Can never bring me down. 'Cause I'm bulletproof. Yeah, I'm bulletproof. We've been up, we've been down, trying to figure things out. End up losing myself in this but I'm done being done. Glad I end it all now. I won't never turn it round again. Oh, no, 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 no. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I would like to thank you and also introduce myself. My name is Tiana. I'm a full-time working mom and wife. I have 3 kids, in which one is medically complex. I enjoy making all types of videos like DIY and crafting, but today I'm giving you a cleaning video. This is a cleaning video of my master bedroom, and as you can see, it is a total hot mess. So I hope this video gives you the motivation that you need to clean your room or any room in your house. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. 'Cause I'm bulletproof. 'Cause I'm bulletproof. 'Cause I'm bulletproof. Yeah, I'm bulletproof. Now I'm bulletproof. You might find you're gone, but I'm flying high. I'm bulletproof. Don't let it touch the ground. You can never. Now that we've got the clothes cleaned out of the basket, I'm going to be clearing out this cart. This cart has a little bit of everything on it. I mainly use it for my fragrances, lotions, and makeup, but there are a lot of other things here that definitely don't need to be here, so we're going to clear it out.
are like bullets now. Sometimes they hurt. I stay high when bullets fly. Out of reach, won't be coming down. I can't wait till it's over. I can't wait till it ends. You got a tap on your shoulder, and I don't need to pretend that we are alright. I won't spend the night, I can't wait till it's over. I can't wait till this ends. You got a tap on your shoulder, and I don't need to pretend that we are alright. I won't spend the night, I can't wait
I want to invest in another vacuum. I got this vacuum from Target just as a starter, but if you have any suggestions for a better vacuum, comment down below.
I heard you said you feel lonely. Nothing is right with that.
Now we're going to be moving on to my little mini office area. I'm currently working from home. I've been working from home since last year. I bought this desk from IKEA last February, and it was only supposed to be used for my crafting, basically my Cricut and Cricut supplies, but now it's turned into this. So I work from here, I do my crafting from here, sometimes I film videos here, so it's a little bit of everything, and this definitely needed to be cleaned up.
Waiting for the sun, waiting for the time when we both agree. Do what you want to do.
As you can see, I was watching a little cleaning motivation myself. I was watching At Home with Tam and Shyvonne Melanie TV. I love their content, and I will link their channels down below.
I'll wait, I'll wait.
So I recently became a plant mom. This is the balcony outside of my bedroom. I bought some small plants just to see how it would do, and obviously I'm not doing that well because this one's already dying. And I just got it like a couple days ago, but these seem to be doing okay. So I don't know, I gotta figure out what's going on with this plant, and then I'm gonna clean this up and then add some more decor out here so I can just come out here and chill. Now we're gonna be moving on to my husband's side of the room. This honestly took me the longest, and this is actually the next day.
What I'm missing is your kissing. I know you want more. I've said it all along, said it all along. There's just you and me. Waiting for the sun, waiting for the time when we both agree. I've said it all along, said it all along.
Comment down below if you also have one of those miscellaneous junk drawers that you keep things in. I have one on my little dresser. My husband has one. As you can see me putting things in there, and you'll see me putting things in that drawer multiple times throughout this video.
There's just you and me. Waiting for the sun, waiting for the time when we both agree. Do what you want to do. Say what you want to say. I'll be right here. I'll wait, you know I'll wait. I'll wait, you know I'll wait.
Going to be getting into these clothes over here in his corner. This was honestly so frustrating because it seemed like this corner was never ending. It took me about an hour to get it done, but I was on the phone with some friends, so they kept me entertained while I got this done. To run out of space in his drawer, so I'm gonna have to reorganize his closet like I did mine. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link it up above, but his side of the closet does need some reorganizing so we can fit clothes on that side. With a little laundry motivation. On this day, I believe I did the boys' laundry, so there are a lot of little pieces to be put away.
Hey babe, look what the hole I am in. I try not to think too much about what might have been. How nice if I just could let you in. I know you could be my remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I knew you could be my remedy. If I gave you my heart, you could tear it apart. And if I tell you how I feel, would you be good to me? Good to me. How nice if I just could let you in. I know you could be my remedy.
And that is going to be all for this video. I hope that this video gave you the motivation that you need to get it all done today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.